Hi there. Today, I'm excited to guide you on how to create a broadcast list and use the templates you've previously crafted to send messages to thousands of your users all at once. To start using the broadcast feature, navigate to the broadcast section, which is found under the WhatsApp tab in the navigation bar. Once you click there, you'll be directed to a window showcasing all the broadcast lists. Here you can view all the broadcast lists that have been created previously. For example, if you're curious about the users included in a specific broadcast list, just tap on that list. You'll then be able to see the templates that have been sent in the past within the message history. Remember, you can refresh the template to get the latest view. If you're interested in knowing who the participants are in a specific broadcast list, click on Add Participants. This will display all the paths you gave the participants currently included in that broadcast list. Simply click on Save to return to the original window. You have the option to delete a broadcast list after it's been used, or keep it as it is. Additionally, I'll guide you on how to create a new broadcast list from scratch. Let's go ahead and name the broadcast list as Demo List. Next, click on Create, and you'll see that the broadcast list has been successfully created. Click on the newly created list and proceed to add participants. Select the participants you wish to include and click Save once you're done. Now that our broadcast list is ready, I'll show you how to send messages to all the users included in your broadcast list. Head over to Select Template. Here, you'll find all the templates that have been approved by Meta. Choose a template you'd like to use. After selecting a template, if there are any variables or fields that need to be filled, they will appear here. Fill them in as required, and then click Send Message. You'll see that all the messages have been successfully broadcasted. I'll also demonstrate how to broadcast a message to all your users at once. To do this, simply click on Add Participants, and you can directly select a tab called Select All. This will add all the participants from your user list. These contacts are fetched from the ones you've added. In your contact list, if you'd like to add new users, you can do so here, and they'll appear when you're ready to add participants to your broadcast list. That was a quick overview. Now, let's see how the message appears in your users list. As you can see, the message has been successfully received by the user. You can send both marketing and utility templates to enhance your customer experience, leading to improved sales and a better return on investment for your marketing campaigns. Lastly, I'll show you how to manage a chat with a specific user. That's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching.